how to add intro video on your creator page on Patreon on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Patreon. This is my page on Patreon, as you can see, for example. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to your Patreon page and then click on edit your page right here, as you can see in the top, and it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is scroll down until you find intro video. Now right here, all what you have to do is pass a URL and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.